So same way guys, we can insert the new values also. So I'm going to talk about the insert method which you can use in this list. So for that, what you have to do is you just have to use the insert, this the function, the method, right? So when you use the insert, it basically asks you for the index and then what you want to change. Okay, so let's say I want to replace the zero index, okay, with the I want to replace that with, let's say, Excel macros, right? And finally, then once this is done, I want to actually go and print this value. Okay, so now if I run this, let's go and check what is going to happen. Okay, so we should actually see that a new value is entered. Look at this now. Okay, so because you said that at the zero index you want to actually insert this, right? This is insertion. This is not changing something. So your original values will also remain here. Okay, so that's how basically it's so easy. So similarly, if I just change this to, let's say, for example, the index 1, and I run this, now you see that the VB is still there. This is the first index, which means the zero index, and Excel macro is inserted here. Okay, so we know that we can insert the values also in the list. We can change also, we can slice and dice also, we can pull out the values from left or from right. Very, very powerful and useful. We will see in the coming chapters.